As far as a restricted license is concerned, restriction means that you can drive for work, to and from work, and any work-related driving, so long as you can justify your driving in some way related to your job or your career. It also includes driving to and from the alcohol education program that the DMV would require you to enroll in as a condition of getting the restricted license. Now, a restricted license is available on a first offense, but only if you take the correct steps to get it. The DMV will not help you through that process, and they will not volunteer that information. There are steps that you need to take through an attorney to get your restricted license in place. There is an exception if you're under 21, or if you refuse to submit to a chemical test on a first offense, then there is a year suspension. You are not eligible for a restricted license at that point. On a second offense, in order to get a restricted license, then it's necessary to, first of all, submit to a 1-year period of suspension, and then you can get a restricted license after the first year. The first year, if you're convicted of a second offense, is a mandatory period of suspension. The second year, you're eligible for a restricted license to allow you to drive for work, again, if you take the correct steps to reinstate. On a third offense, if you're convicted of a third offense, there's a mandatory 3-year revocation of your privilege to drive, and you're not eligible for a restricted license until after a year and until you've performed at least 1 year in the alcohol program. In addition, you have to have insurance. The insurance company has to file a proof of that, and the DMV can also require you to install in your vehicle something called an ignition interlock device.